You know what really grinds my gears?
Is this idea that you have to paint correct a car or polish a car before you install paint protection film. People comment on our videos all the time and tell us we're doing something wrong because we didn't paint correct it. You are wrong, I promise, and I'm gonna prove it to you. On this door, Jimmy did a 50-50 paint correction. The right-hand side is paint corrected, you can probably tell. It looks beautiful, nice, perfect reflection of the light. The left side has lots of micro scratches and swirl marks on it. That's how the car came into us. Now, if we were to do paint protection film over top of this, we could do it two ways. We could put this right over top of what was already there. That's what I'm going to show you what will happen. You could also paint correct and put it on top. I'm gonna put it right in the middle so that you can see film over top of a paint corrected side and a not paint corrected side. The reason it's important and the reason that I say it's stupid to paint correct before you do it is, number one, you're charging the customer for something that is totally unnecessary. There's no visible difference when you're done, whether it's paint corrected or not. So I'm not gonna say you're ripping people off, but it makes no sense. Now, sometimes we have a customer that absolutely insists that we paint correct it first. That's fine. If you want me to do it, I'll do it, but they need to understand why it doesn't really matter. The other reason it makes no sense to do it is when you are polishing or buffing paint, you are removing layers of clear coat. Those can't ever come back. They don't grow back. The only way that they're coming back is if you were to respray the car. So why remove clear coat that you don't have to remove if there's not a visible difference? If there is a visible difference, do it. I'm gonna show you. So our line is right here. I'm gonna put this right in the middle. Obviously, I didn't pay attention to dirt and that kind of stuff for this demo piece. So there might be some of that. And you may also see some like wet spots or areas where the film is drying, some moisture pockets. That's all normal. But let's see when we wipe it off what this looks like. You may even see a micro scratch on top of the film that will go away with a little bit of heat just from my squeegee. So here you can see the line where the adhesive from the tape was left. The right hand side looks exactly like the part over here. It might look a little hazy on the camera just because, like I said, it's drying, but once this cures, there's no micro scratches or swirl marks in this, just like there isn't in this paint. But over on the left-hand side, there is also no micro scratches or swirl marks. But there is a ridiculous amount of them over here.